Not everyone will understand your journey. And that's okay. What matters is that you keep going. Hi everyone! Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to my brothers and sisters in Islam around the world. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening wherever you are watching from. My name is Bijel and I'm coming to live from Victoria, Australia. Today, I just want to share something real. You're going to hear this opinion from people who don't understand our journey, from people who doubt on us, from people who have never tried what you're trying to build. But the truth is, other people's opinion are not what we build for future. What matter is your decision, your dedication, your focus, your purpose, your mission. As a mom of 7, my life is busy. But I made a decision to start learning to grow and to build something better for my family. Not because it's easy, but because my why is bigger than the struggle. You don't need everyone to understand you. You just need to believe in your direction and stay committed to your growth. Because success built when you stay focused, consistent, and disciplined. If you're someone who wants to start learning how people are building online step by step, comment info or send me a message. I'm happy to share what helped me begin. Stay focused on your mission, not on people's opinion, because your future is built by what you do, not what they say. Thank you for being here. Have a good one. Bye!